everyone. In today's video, I'm going to just use a bottle cap to make some designs. I figured there's three ways that you can use this. You can use this on the open end for just a circle. You can use it on the closed end for a closed circle, and then you could also try using the edge. So for this part, I might actually like make a little handle or like glue just a piece of wood so that I can move it easily and just roll it across my page. But the little indents on the side I think could potentially create a pattern, so I wanted to try it. But for this, I'm just going to put some gloves on because it's such a small item to stamp with. I know my hands are going to be get covered in quite a bit of paint. So I'm going to start with the open side first. And I'm going to, which color? I'm going to start with my purple for this one and see. Ooh, nice. This reminds me of the pen caps, a really nice even shape, but I was also thinking about like if you overlapped or did another smaller design inside of it, and just wipe off some of the paint I got on my fingers so I don't leave splotches. But yeah, I like that. And depending on how you're using this, you could always, I was thinking about taking my Dremel and putting a hole through the middle, or you could just take some super glue and put just a little like wood dowel on it and just make a little handmade stamp with this. And it would, especially if you're going for the same design, that would work really well to just use it over and over for a pattern. To just grab it here. Yeah, super easy way, nice even circles. I like that one. I also like that purple. I should use that more often, but I'm going to just wipe off my hands and wipe this off so that hopefully I don't mix it with my green, because I do want to use a different color. But I will be right back. Okay, so I'm going to try just this flat end now and see how even that will be. Okay, so it's not, there's a kind of a rim around the edge, so it's not completely flat. So let's see if I can just add some more paint and see what that looks like. So if you add more paint, it'll almost fill in that circle. But that's kind of fun for it. It reminds me of the straws where I was getting some of them, like the bubble would form, and I would get a fun filled in shape. So extra paint will get you a better circle. All right, so that one again, just a little bit more organic shapes, some filled in, some not. I do like that. I also love this color, but I do like the way that looks. So I think for this last one, I'm going to just super glue this to something that I can hold on to. Ooh, I think I have another cork. Maybe I'll do that. But I'll make it into just a little stamp and try rolling the edge and see how that looks for a design. Okay, so I glued my cork onto the flat side. I think that'll stay just fine, but I'm just gonna dip my edge into some ink and see if I can get any kind of rolled design on here, and I'm just going to do that. Okay, so no, it doesn't really pick up the side details at all. But you can just kind of, if you roll it, you can just get I'm wondering if a different size cap would work better, but I do just kind of like the random marks that you can get. So I'm just going to keep rolling this a little bit and just getting some of that ink on my page. I used the like bouncy balls a while ago, and it reminds me of that, where you just get wherever the ball goes is where you're going to get your ink, but this is kind of fun to spread it out in just a really messy pattern. Okay, so I'm going to leave that one as is. Very messy, still kind of fun, but I mean, if you have some corks and you were using those, this worked really nicely for just a little handle if you're making your own stamps. So I might pull that off and save the cork, but thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this. Just obviously, depending on what you like to drink at home, I actually have some sparkling water here, and this cap might work completely differently than my previous one. So you could try all sorts of different bottle caps and just see how they work. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.